Today, I'm speaking about and calling out the Catholic bishops in the state of Colorado. They, in an agreement with the Attorney General, had devised a scheme. It is a dangerous scheme. It is a scheme designed to keep secrets and to hide their culpability, their offenders, their documents, and their dangerous practices, past and present. That scheme that they have devised is to pay compensation to a few survivors that do come forward and engage in their private process. And in that private process, they pay some money to some survivors and then require those survivors to keep that all quiet. It is a perilous, dangerous precedent and a perilous, dangerous scheme, and all the Catholic bishops in Colorado are a part of it. Why can they do that? And how can they get away with that still at this time? They can, and they do, and they have, because the statute of limitations prevents survivors from actually exposing them, from suing them, from holding them accountable for their cover-up of so many offenders statewide. And because the statute of limitations is such an impediment, the survivors are required to go through this private scheme that adheres to secrecy and allows the silence around the cover-up to be preserved by the bishops. Today we received, on behalf of one of the courageous survivors who did make a claim, a determination made by the Catholic bishops and their designee, the administrators they call them, that they're going to pay $25,000 to this person. $25,000. He was abused 55 years ago. He was one of at least a half a dozen kids abused by this same guy, Kennedy, in the Diocese of Pueblo. And how many more, I don't know. But what I do know is that this determination and this scheme by the Catholic bishops in Denver, in Pueblo, and across the state is designed to protect them and protect their secrets and protect their documents and to help a few survivors continue to keep their secrets and have to take the money they offer. It's wrong. It's disturbing. It's dangerous, and it needs to be called out for what it is, the continuation of a cover-up by the Catholic bishops in Colorado. It's time for change. It's time for truth. It's time for accountability. And while they continue to hide behind the statute of limitations and devise these schemes such as this, children are at risk, and those survivors that have been so deeply hurt continue to have no recourse for their voice to be heard and the perils to be exposed across the state. It's time.